the first thing it has a Wi-Fi AC, so the range is very good. I can go very far with it and leave the room, and you still have it on the control on my display. So I will come back. So here we are, and also it can go quite fast. Hop. Hop. So if I swipe, he make a 90-degree turn. If I swipe like this, hop, he make a U-turn. A remote control device with a gyro and an accelerometer. So it's precise. It's not like a plastic toy where it's very difficult to have it going straight. Here, due to the sensors, I exactly know what it does. I'm done.